The musical version of Mean Girls premiered on Broadway in 2018, and now a full-length movie musical is out in wide theatrical release. And as you know, we are huge movie fans here at Sallie Tomato, which is why we took the opportunity to hack some of our bag patterns in the fashion of some of the main characters from the Mean Girls movie. And it's also the perfect time to continue to wear all that Barbie pink we wore in 2023. For our version of Cady's bag, we decided to make a color block version of our Shaw backpack, inspired by her personality and worldly travels. For details on these styling changes, check out our blog for all the information on these pattern hacks. Color blocking is a fun way to truly make a bag your own. It can showcase a special fabric, or you can use a favorite fabric that you may not have enough yardage for a whole bag in your stash. It also could be a unique way to show off those treasured fabrics from your worldly travels. In this variation, we paired quilting cottons with our faux duck wax canvas. These two fabrics work beautifully together and can also add a bit more stability to your bag. You'll need just under 1/4 yard of a special fabric, which will be main fabric A, and just under a 1/2 yard for the coordinating fabric, which will be main fabric B. All construction and assembly follows the pattern with the following exception. In the pattern under Make Cotton Straps, Step 3, do not trim the seam allowance to an 1/8 inch wide. To help reduce bulk in the curved strap end, carefully cut a few notches out of the outer edge of the seam. Faux wax canvas is a coarser weave than quilt cotton and will fray when trimmed to a narrow seam allowance. We think these bags are so fetch, and we cannot wait to see how you use these styling hacks on these patterns or perhaps other Sallie Tomato patterns. And like I mentioned before, we have all of the details for the pattern hacks in our Mean Girls blog post on our website, so you can create these bags confidently. Plus, you can find all of the links to the items I mentioned, including exclusive kits for these patterns, in the links in the description below this video. Here at Sallie Tomato, our team does an incredible job making kits for you, so it's easy to pick up a kit and start sewing right away. You have all the supplies that you need on hand, ready for you to sew. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, we would love if you would give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more inspirational and educational content. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll check out the rest of our tutorials for more creative projects. See you next time.